Hello everybody, welcome to Gabbana in Australia. Today I am going to cut my bangs. So as you know, we're in quarantine and we're a bit bored and really don't have any more ideas as to what to do apart from working from home and cleaning and doing the wash and unloading the dishwasher and washing your clothes and all that. So I thought about make me some cute bangs. I'm not sure what you think about this, but we'll see how they end up being. So before we start, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel in the red button below. I thought, like, when I look at myself in the mirror, it seems like this area is actually in the middle of my face, but when I look at myself in the camera, it doesn't seem to be. So I think I'm just gonna do it again before we cut them. Not sure how this is gonna be actually done. Seems like that's more similar to being in the middle. Not sure what you guys think. I think that's probably better. Sorry guys, like the exposure of the camera is gonna play up a little bit. See? Because you can actually like block it in the app that I use, so that's, I hate that. Anyways, so we're gonna do what we can do with whatever we have, which is how we roll. So it's already in the middle. I'm gonna really do like a style that is not like that thick. So we're gonna start by parting this area like a triangle, but like not much really, just a little bit there. Might be too small, but doesn't matter. We're gonna fix it afterwards. And same this way. Okay, so we have like this middle section. Not sure if we should do it like straight away, do the rest. Maybe we should do a little bit more on each side, hey? It doesn't look to be like in the middle. I think I need more of this side. So I used to have bangs when I was at uni. Some of you might remember. And they were actually very nice. I used to like them. But then they just became very boring. Just a little bit more on this side. I think, okay, I think that's probably enough. And then this side, we're also gonna do a bit more. So I'm not sure how you guys are coping with the lockdown and everything. Well, in Australia, we're not really in lockdown, but we are, however, like taking care of like what we do and everything. Oh gosh, is that right, guys? I'm not sure. It looks like a triangle. I think that's good. Okay, so we got this part. We're probably gonna start with the middle. Not sure how short this should be, to be honest, but we're gonna go. Okay, there. I took all of this out already, so this is pretty long. Like I haven't had bangs for so long. This is the kind of stuff you do when you're like lockdown people. So we're also gonna do this one straight away. Probably my friends that are like hairdressers and stuff gonna be like cute, like they're gonna want to kill me when they see this. But we do anything out of boredom, right? Okay. Okay, that's actually not that bad. And we're also gonna do this side. Praise the land. There you go. Okay, well that's not that bad. I'm just not really sure. I think what we're meant to do now is like frame them a bit. So I'm trying to do like a very like, this looks kind of like that. I'm not sure if that's gonna work. We're actually gonna try. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna like do the middle. I actually have no idea what I'm doing, guys. It looks like I'm like teaching you how to do this, but to be honest, I have no idea what I'm doing. Well, I do have some experience because I've had bangs before. However, this time it's like different because I'm doing like a thin one, like more of a like different style. So before I used to have like very thick ones. I'm gonna put a photo here. You're gonna be impacted. It's gonna be like, what the heck? It's very thick compared to this. So okay, so we are gonna go and do like what looked on the thing. Wait, like that. Fix like that. No, like that. Like a triangle shape thing, kinda like that. Okay, so I have the first part. We're gonna do the other half. Oh gosh, I almost got the other. Oh lord. Okay, well that looks like a triangle. We'll see if that makes any sense. Ooh, okay. Well, of course it has to be like shorter than that. Oops, I'm bringing some extra hair from the side. Okay, so now I think I'm just gonna go all in. Oh, maybe I should cut it. That actually looks, if I were to have them like that, then it makes sense. Like a short little kind of thing. Like kind of, oh my gosh. Okay, this seems to be working. Like it's on an angle. Maybe we should like do a bit more. Like that, probably as well. Like up and straight. I think that looks good. Ooh, okay, this is taking a bit of shape. Should we straighten this or like curl it just to check how this is gonna work? I think we should do that. Let's do that, people. I am back with my straightener. Now plug this. Of course I have a pink straightener. So turn it on here and then put it all the way up with this. Ow! That's already very hot. I think the idea is for it to be like curlish. So I'm guessing, oh yeah, I think that works like that. Oh my god, it's so tiny that I can't even like hold it. Okay. Oh my gosh. This actually looks so funny because this is definitely not my style. Like, I don't like looking like feminine or anything. I like looking cool. Oh my gosh, this is so feminine. Oh my gosh. This is too much, I think. Like, that would be cute. I don't think it does. I think we did a pretty cool thing. Hey, it's not that bad. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Like, this is good, right? Not sure. I think it is. Like, and it works with this. I'm kind of impressed. Not sure what you guys think about this, but I kind of love it. Let me just fix this so that you can actually see it properly. This actually looks good. I like it. I thought I wasn't gonna like it, but I do. It's very nice. Well, this video is probably a bit shorter than what I was expecting. I want to like curl it a bit. Oh, there you go. There you go. Woo! I am happy, people. I actually like it. I imagine it with curls as well. It's just like, it'll look so good. Like curly hair and stuff. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna turn this off because otherwise I'm gonna burn myself. Okay, people, do you like my bangs? I actually ended up liking the heaps. So if you like this video and you think this is a like helpful tutorial, which probably is, meaning that it was so easy and it makes you look like, hey, this is actually nice. I'm kind of liking myself looking this feminine now. Well, before starting the video, I'm like, oh my gosh, this is gonna be like so not up my alley. But now I'm like, yay, this is actually not that bad. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you have requests for other videos, let me know. Before you leave, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna keep uploading a video every week. Thank you for watching. Bye.